In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to text on my Samsung phone. Whether you're new to Samsung or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through every step. Let's make sure you can stay connected with your friends and family. First, let's head to the home screen of your Samsung phone. You will find the Messages app right there among your other apps. Simply tap on the Messages app, which looks like a little speech bubble. If you can't find it right away, don't worry. Just swipe up on your screen to access the app drawer. Then type Messages in the search bar. This will help you locate the app quickly. Once you've opened the Messages app, it's time to start a new message. Look for the plus sign or the compose icon. It's usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it and you will see options like Start Chat or New Message. Go ahead and choose one of these options. This is important because starting a new message allows you to initiate a conversation with someone in your contacts. Now that you're ready to send a message, you'll need to choose a contact. In the To field, you can type the name or phone number of the person you want to text. As you type, suggestions from your contact list will appear. Select the correct contact from the list. This little step ensures that you're messaging the right person, preventing any mix-ups. With your contact selected, it's time to write your text. Tap on the text box at the bottom of the screen to bring up the keyboard. Begin typing your message using the keyboard. You can express your thoughts, share a quick update, or simply say hello. Take your time to compose your message. It's your opportunity to communicate clearly and effectively. Once you're satisfied with your message, it's time to send it. Look for the send icon, which might appear as an arrow or a paper plane, usually on the right side of the text box. Tap the send icon and your message will be delivered immediately. This step is crucial because tapping the send icon ensures that your message reaches its intended recipient right away. Congratulations, you've successfully sent a text message on your Samsung phone. Remember, these steps are not just about sending a message, they're about staying connected with the people who matter to you. Whether you're sending a quick note or a detailed message, knowing how to text efficiently can make your communication smoother. And there you have it. You've learned how to text on your Samsung phone, from opening the Messages app to sending your message. With these steps, you'll find texting to be a breeze. If you ever need to repeat this process, just revisit these steps and you'll be texting like a pro in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Keep practicing, and soon texting will become second nature. See you next time.